I want to warn you that your confidence is going to shoot through the roof. You're going to feel like you're that girl. As you should. Anyway, as you should. You don't want to miss it. Hey, so jumping right into this update. It's been 7 days since I last installed these mini twists. I put this 2-strand twist right here because I wanted to 2-strand twist my entire head, but then I'm like, let me go on and give you guys a quick little update before I style it. So yeah, just to give you guys a quick little 360 how my hair is still holding up. Again, this is 1 week later. Y'all know me, the life of an influencer. I can't keep my styles in as long as they will last. Like, I know this style can go another month. Like, easy another month or 2. But I have more hair that I have to do. So, I've had it in 1 week. I'll probably leave it in another... actually, I'm going to take it out tonight. But this hair is so versatile. You can style it in so many different ways. Click the link down below. I have a styling video. Like, it's amazing. None of my twists have unraveled. My hair is still in the twist. Everything look good. So you guys, make sure you stay to the end of this video. I will show you how I remove these mini twists. It's a popular question that I get asked on my individual braids, so I want to make sure that I show you guys how I remove these twists. And you see here, I no longer have the white residue from the edge control. It's all gone. People see me, but they just don't know. Yes, baby, I've been feeling myself. Did my little mini twist come out? Oh, it did. My little 2-strand twist came out. That's cool. A really quick recap of the actual hair. I end up using 5 packs of the Afro Kinky hair, the ball. Yes, I end up using 5 packs. I have 3 remaining. The hair was very difficult to work with at first, but then the more you work with it and the more you like twist it so that it actually look like one piece of hair, it got easier. And just looking at the texture of this hair, like, I am in love. I am so happy with the outcome of these twists. Like, the Afro Kinky hair that I actually had to pull apart, give it a really natural, realistic look. And I just love that for me in my twist. They look good. Yeah, I just love the texture. They're super light, like very, very airy. I love how it looks like right at my shoulders. It looks so realistic. Like, yeah, this is my hair, girl. If I can stretch it a little bit, like right there, right here. In the back, see, like right here, if I stretch it, but just regular. And I also have another mini twist video up on my channel. I'll leave the link down below. You guys go and check that out if you haven't already. That one, the hair was already pre-sectioned before I installed it, unlike this hair here. If you haven't watched this video, click the link down below so you can go watch this install video where I actually pulled the hair apart and had to twist it in. So it's 2 different videos. This one, the hair was not pre-sectioned and I had to section it all, versus I'll leave another mini twist link down below where the hair was pre-sectioned, so you can go check that out as well. So really quick, I used 5 packs of hair. This style I did over the course of 3 days. Like, the first day I was only able to work on it for about an hour and a half. The second day, I'll say I probably worked on it like 9 hours. The third day, I just had the top section and that was about 2 hours. So I'll say these mini twists took me about 12 hours. So over the course of 3 days, as well as about 12 hours plus to achieve. And really quick, before I show you how I remove these twists, I'm going to show you how I wrap my hair at night. I just take one of my scarf like this, and I do it with the middle part, push it back like this, and then I put my scarf on, bring it underneath my hair, fold that right there, and then tie it at the top. And then my sides, I kind of just pull the scarf like over that. And that's how I wrap it up at night. And then the next day, you know, just take it off. and it'd be nice and neat. If I'm going somewhere, I just pull it over to the side, whichever side, like this, and I'll just spray like some leave-in conditioner, and that's it. That's all, baby. And it ain't nothing to it. Yeah, so if you do decide to give these mini twists a try, I want to warn you that, one, you're going to be feeling yourself. Your confidence is going to shoot through the roof. You're going to feel like you're that girl, as you should. Anyway, as you should. But the mini twist, you can't tell me I'm not the baddest in the room. I don't care who's in there. My hair is fly. Like, I don't know how else to put it. Not only is your confidence just through the roof just because the hair is giving, do not get these twists unless you want attention. I've been stopped so many times. Who did your hair? Are you starting your locks? Oh, I love your locks. Baby, they're not locks. They're mini twists. But I understand for the people that's not like, you know, really into hair. I get it. They will fool you. And then you have the girls that get it. And they're like, oh my God, I love your mini twist. And I just be like, thank you. Like, thank you, girl. Go check me out on YouTube. Go search me so you can do these twists yourself. So many compliments. Your hair is beautiful. You're beautiful. Your hair look good. Like, this is your warning not to do these mini twists unless you want attention. But just me flipping it over to the side, it's everything. It's tea. Don't you just love, you just feel good, you just feel great. Alright y'all, so let me show you how I remove my mini twist. I did this cute 2-strand twist style. I'll leave the link down below so you can go and check that out, plus many more. You don't want to miss it. Okay, so let me take out my 2-strand twist. I just take out that little knot at the end. Okay, boom. And then I like to start midway and just open it up. And then it just pretty much unravels like that. And then I can just go up the twist, one piece of hair out, keep going up the twist, just unravel. And there's the second piece of hair. Now I'm left with just the braid. Now go ahead and just take that out. I like to comb through my sections as I go. That way when I go to wash it, it's already detangled. And there we have it. That's how I take out my mini twists. That's all for this video. Y'all leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.